Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio for the Let's Come and share this video because this is amazing. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max and today I have received new update. Okay, let's check. General. You can see software update. Let's check. Boom. And you see what I'm talking about. This is iOS 17.1.1. Can you see this? Do you believe this? As you can see, this update provides bug fixes for your iPhone, including all of this. What do you see here? Okay, let's start update now. Let me enter my passcode and what? Update requested. I think that the process will start on a few minutes. Can you see this? You need 50% of battery here. I have 92%. This is not bad. Okay. As you can see, the downloading of this update started. Okay, 2 minutes, 1 minute remaining. Okay, now let's see more information about available RAM. Memory. This is available RAM right now. 7, you can see 700 and 57 megabyte. Okay, cool. You can also see memory, everything. Okay, not bad. Now, as you can see, it already start. I think that this is just a little update. It's not a big update. It's just bug fixes. And what you see here, whether lock screen widget may not correctly display snow. Okay, about 15 seconds remaining. What can I do? As you can see, my phone is connected to a charger and I'm ready for this update. Okay, wait with me. I think that there's something here in front of me into the screen, but what? Let's touch. What is this? What? Always preparing update? Seriously? Damn. Dun 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 dun. Okay. There's something here. Can you see this? Now the update process start. Okay. Now what can I do? I need just to wait a few minutes to finish this update. Okay. Okay, cool. Wait with me. Look at that. Your iPhone is what? Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.1.1. Okay. Not bad. Let me enter my passcode. Welcome back. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, no problem. You can see, not bad. Let's see. Yes, general. So the update, as you can see, is up to date. Wow. Okay, good. Now, let's see more information about the RAM. Memory. Look at what I have. 601 megabyte. Ay, ay, ay. This means that you need to restart your phone. This is what I recommend to you to do right now. Just power off is good. So good. So good. I love you. Ding, 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 ding. Happy with you. Ding, 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 ding. I want to eat your mouth. Happy you do. What was I doing? Okay, I think that you need to turn on this phone right now. Press power button. Okay, as you can see, connector is still connected. My battery is 93%. Remember, when you turn off your phone, the charger is also off. Wow, look at how it's so beautiful. Beautiful screen. When you put your phone on, your brightness on full screen just like that, this phone become, wow, this screen become very, very beautiful in real life and very bright. But this is not something you will always use. You need just sometimes to reduce the brightness or something. Okay, now I have memory. What? No, what I have? Are you kidding me? Damn. Is a joke or something? Wow. Damn. Let's try to restart this phone. How to do it? I think that you need to press volume up, volume up, volume down, and power button. So, volume up, volume down, and press power button. Continue to press power button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and restart. Restart automatically. Okay. As you can see, it's cool. It's cool. Okay. Welcome back. Let's do the same thing. Enter my passcode. And okay. iOS 64. No. Memory. Okay. And look at what I have now. Look at what I have. Available RAM. 1 gigabyte. Can you see this? Almost 2 gigabytes. Okay, cool. Now you can see that your phone is really up to date. Can you see? Can you see this? Do you imagine? Okay, as you can see, Face ID work perfectly. No problem. Good. Keyboard. Always nice. And okay. What is okay, okay, okay. Okay, and it's okay. Tell me if you like this video. Like, subscribe, share, and get ready for more videos like that. And thanks to you for the... Thank you.